we look into the night sky, we are not simply observing distant objects. We are looking back in time. Some of the light reaching Earth tonight began its journey billions of years ago, long before humanity existed. The observable universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. Models suggest the Milky Way alone formed over 13 billion years ago. This matters because time is one of the most important ingredients for life. What you're looking at right now is the Milky Way, our home galaxy. It contains over 100 billion stars, and that's a conservative estimate. Now imagine if most of those stars had an average of 1 or 2 planets orbiting them. Yes, the scale is absolutely mind-blowing. And each of these tiny dots is an entire galaxy, some larger and some smaller than our Milky Way. Now pause this video for a few seconds and really let that sink in. For the vast majority of human history, we gazed at the stars wondering if we were looking at lonely fires or distant suns with worlds of their own. Today, that mystery has been solved. Astronomers have now confirmed the existence of thousands of exoplanets, turning what was once science fiction into documented reality. And the data suggests something even more profound, that planets aren't the exception, they are the rule. Nearly every star you see likely hosts a planetary system. A vast number of these worlds are rocky, like our own, orbiting within the Goldilocks zone, that perfect distance where it's neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to flow. From a cosmic perspective, the ingredients for life aren't rare. They seem to be scattered everywhere across the vastness of space. If planets are as common as we now know them to be, and if the laws of chemistry and physics are truly universal, then we are led to a staggering conclusion. Life should not be an accident. It should be a recurring theme across the cosmos. Think about the timeline of the universe. Some stars, and the planets orbiting them, are billions of years older than our Sun. This means that some civilizations could have had a head start of millions, even billions of years ahead of our own. In cosmic terms, that is an eternity. It is more than enough time for a determined species to develop interstellar travel and spread its influence across an entire galaxy. Even at speeds well below the speed of light, the Milky Way could be colonized many times over in what is, to the universe, just a blink of an eye. By every reasonable calculation, by every logical thread we follow, the night sky shouldn't be a silent void. The universe should be alive, vibrating with the activity of 1,000 civilizations. And yet, nothing. Since Enrico Fermi, a brilliant Italian-American physicist, first pointed out the staggering contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and our complete lack of evidence, a mystery we now call the Fermi Paradox, several haunting explanations have been proposed to solve the silence. The most chilling is the concept of a great filter. This theory suggests there is a barrier, a nearly impossible evolutionary step, that almost all life fails to cross. It's a cosmic filter that turns vibrant civilizations into dust before they can ever reach the stars. Others propose a darker reality, that civilizations are their own worst enemies. They suggest that advanced life is inherently self-destructive, eventually collapsing under the weight of environmental issues or the very technologies they failed to master. In these scenarios, The universe isn't empty because life is rare. It's a cosmic graveyard, full of civilizations that were born, dreamed of the stars, but simply did not last. But beyond the theories of natural barriers, there is a far more unsettling possibility, one that challenges our very desire to reach out. It is known as the dark forest hypothesis. Imagine the universe not as an open playground, but as a vast, shadow-filled forest. In this landscape, every civilization is like a cautious traveler, moving silently through the trees, wary of what lies in the darkness. In this vast expanse, the intentions of others remain a total mystery. We cannot know who shares our values or who might perceive us as a potential competition for the universe's limited resources. In a place where survival is the ultimate priority, revealing your presence isn't necessarily an act of courage. It could be a profound risk. It's the idea that the moment you turn on a light in a dark room, you become visible to everything else within it. In such a universe, the most logical strategy for any advanced society isn't to announce themselves to the stars. It is to remain hidden, to watch, to listen. While we broadcast our existence to the heavens, we might be the only ones unaware of the quiet rules of the cosmic forest. So the question remains, which of these possibilities do you believe? Is the universe a silent graveyard? Is there a great filter we have yet to face, or perhaps one we've already miraculously survived? Or are we, in our cosmic innocence, shouting into a dark forest, hoping for a friendly reply, when silence might be the wisest choice? The Fermi Paradox isn't just a scientific puzzle. It's a profound mirror reflecting our hopes and our deepest fears about our place in the cosmos. What do you think? Share your theories in the comments below.